This video is about brick slips, and right now across Dublin, Cork, Galway and every county in between, Irish homeowners are choosing them in record numbers. It's not just a trend, it solves a problem that smooth render, plain paint and ceramic tiles could never. If you're looking for a finish that handles real Irish living and looks extraordinary, brick slips are the answer. But what are they exactly? Brick slips are thin tiles cut directly from genuine fired clay bricks, typically 20 to 25 millimeters deep. They give you the soul and texture of exposed brick without the structural weight or complexity of full brickwork. The clean, characterless interiors of the early 2000s are officially out. According to recent renovation reports, over 67% of Irish homeowners now list adding warmth and character as their primary goal. We crave spaces that feel lived in and real. Why brick slips are taking over homes? 6 compelling reasons. They are authentically Irish. They solve the damp and condensation challenge. They are dramatically lighter than full brick. They are easy to install. Brick slips require no specialist bricklaying skills. They are installed using exactly the same methods as standard wall tiles. Sound, clean substrate preparation, appropriate tile adhesive, careful joint spacing with tile spacers, quality pointing mortar for the finished grout lines. This means your existing tiler can handle the entire job. No specialist contractor, no inflated labour quotes, no waiting weeks for a bricklayer's diary to open up. In a country where getting reliable tradespeople can feel like winning the lottery, that practical advantage is enormous. They are heat resistant, born in fire, built for it. They add measurable value to your home. What to consider before you buy brick slips for your fireplace. Before you order your first box, here's what experienced tilers and Irish homeowners who've been through the process always wish they'd known up front. Measure carefully, then add 10%. Prep your walls properly, choose the right grout colour thoughtfully, order a sample and live with it, and confirm your product is genuinely heat rated near the firebox. Can I install brick slips directly around the fireplace opening? Yes, but follow the 200mm rule. Use heat-resistant adhesive and mortar near the firebox to prevent tiles from detaching. Beyond that, standard adhesive works perfectly. Do brick slips for fireplaces need to be sealed? Yes, a 20-minute application of a breathable sealant protects the bricks from sudden stains without changing their natural look. Will brick slips make my room look smaller? Not at all. Instead of making the room feel smaller, a brick feature wall adds depth and focus, making your space feel intentionally designed rather than just decorated. What is the difference between brick slips and brick effect tiles? Brick slips are real clay from actual bricks for authentic texture and heat performance. Brick effect tiles are just ceramic mimics, good for a budget but they can't beat the real thing. If you want to read more about brick slips, you can visit our blog at www.tommerton.ie/blog. We stock the finest range of brick slips, from reclaimed reds to temporary charcoal greys. You can order samples online to see how the texture looks like in your own light. Visit Tom Merton today and finish your home as it's always been deserved. Thank you.